do a little bit of research, because I mentioned this before, because I heard about a silent dog whistle. But now I know, I decided to do a search for it. So with that being said, let's look at how many they have. This is a silent bar control. I don't know, silent adjustable dog whistle. Well, let's not look. Let's look at dog clicker silent bar control. I don't know if that's the same thing. But this is on YouTube. Let's bring it back here. Like, you can't hear anything. It's turned up. The volume is turned up and it's playing. This has to do with the frequencies. It's silent. It's not. I can't hear anything. I feel a little bit of pressure right here, but I don't know. The pressure is here, but I don't know. So I can't hear anything, but you can see the frequencies there. I don't know. I can't judge anything because I can't hear it. This is what titanitis. Okay, I can hear that, and my ear hurts. So let's bring this back a little. Feeling a pain right here. This could be just from this. This is different kinds, I guess. Brain trace. See what he has to say.
Bunch of them. I think the majority of the people that buy them sell a bunch of them. I think the majority of the people that buy them are trying to do something that they won't do. So I may be talking you out of buying it, but that's okay. A silent dog whistle will not make a dog stop barking. It will not do it. I don't care what you've read on the internet. It won't do it. So if you have a neighbor's dog that's barking, don't buy this thinking that it's going to stop him from barking, because it's not. That's not what it's designed to do. Silent dog whistles work off a really high frequency, and dogs can hear them, but it's just like any other whistle. We occasionally will have someone that will buy it and go, well, my dog didn't respond to it. Well,
all over, there's going to be a lot of
silent whistles don't make dogs do things. You have to train them what the whistle means, the same way you would any other command. And so it's important that you understand what this will not do, and it's not magic, anything along those lines. The other thing about a silent dog whistle is that they're not totally silent. You're going to hear a couple of things even when it's tuned down. Biggest thing you're going to hear is the air blowing through it. So that's something I like to point out to folks. But it is quiet, and you have the ability to tune it depending on what frequency you want, simply by twisting it. What I like about silent dog whistles is that they carry a long way. So for somebody that's looking to use a whistle in a neighborhood, doesn't want to bother the rest of their neighbors, they're looking to have something that doesn't bother your ears. That's a real big key factor in it. It's a very popular product, and it's really well made. Acme does a really nice job with their whistles, but it's important that you understand what it will and will not do. And just like anything else, it's a cue. You have to teach the dog what it means. We've got some information on our website about how to go about doing that. But it's not a magical device, and it's not something that's going to make your dog.
This is just to establish that it does exist, right? This is silent as well. This is a dog whistle, and it's silent. This is not to hurt the dogs. This is to train the dogs. It doesn't stop dogs from barking. It's to call them. What is a whistle? It's a whistle to when in the 1800s or early 1900s. They used to call by whistle. They had runners back in England, what they called cops. They were running. You know, they were patrolling the streets, and they used to, if they found the scene of a crime, they would blow a whistle to call people. So this is what a whistle does. It calls people. So I believe it's meant to call the dog, because the dog will run towards the sound. It won't repel them. It will run. I guess some people can make it where it's so scary for them that they run away. I guess. But again, you can't hear anything, and this is going. So, and my neighbor has a dog. He would have started barking if it was that high pitched. Yeah, I did hear him barking yesterday. If it was directed above. This technology, what I'm saying is this technology. If this can happen, this is in correlation to the voice in your ear. The voice in our ear. Because if you hear the voice, you're gonna pick an ear, because you're gonna be silent, and you'll pick an ear. You'll know which ear it's coming from or going into. So only have two: left ear, right ear. So you'll know which ear the sound is, which direction it's coming from, or which ear it's going into. So with that being said, this is possible. Because if there's something out there that only a dog can hear, then there might be something that only a human can hear. From person to person, this is where they tweak it, they fine tune it. Because everybody is vibrating on a different frequency. Everybody has a different level of hearing. We're human beings. So how they do that, I don't know. What I'm worried about is if something had to be injected in me, I had to eat something, I had to ingest something, I had to inhale something. That's the scary part. Because aside from it being like, if there's 2 or 3 people in here, if it's meant for human hearing, why can't the other people hear it? Why hearing it? Why only me? How tuning it to a specific person within a crowded room? One person can hear it, but not the rest. But again, this was developed for, I believe, military purposes. So they know what they were doing. And apparently the people who are utilizing it to brutalize us, they know what they're doing too. So a lot of these people, I don't know if it's one set of people who are ugly minded with a bunch of these technology, and they're selling them. I don't know. Where they got them from, I don't know. Yeah. But the point is, it's not schizophrenia. It's something that's really happening. I made this video, or I'm making this video to show that if there's such a thing out there that only a dog can hear, then there's got to be things out there only a human can hear. Now how it varies from human to human, I don't know. And how it's possible for one person in a room, when there's other people present, that only one person can hear it and the rest of them can't, that's what I don't understand. There has to be something on the person or in the person that is connecting somewhere else. Hard to me. Something within or on this person that is hearing the voice has to be receiving whatever the sound, for them to hear it. That I don't know. Because I know it's technology. I know 100% it's technology. That I have no doubt. So I'm not sure how it's being done exactly, how it's being fine-tuned. This is not my area of expertise. I don't know. But what I wanted to show is that it does exist. The silent whistle does exist. But only a dog can hear it. That means they can make something where only a human can hear it. But how does it vary from human to human? I don't know. And how is it possible for two people to be in the same space and only one of them hear it? Is it at a certain decibel? Well, if so, how much do these people really know about both people in that room so that they can only be where this person is hearing it and this one is? Know everything about this person. Ain't that weird? Maybe that's where the smart dust comes in. It tells them everything they need to know, but I don't understand that either. I would love for somebody to show me how this works. Possibilities to help people who are willing is good. It is endless. If it's a safe product. If it's used in a controlled environment, that's okay. In a controlled environment. But there, that's a different story. But people have to consent to this. People have to actually understand what are the repercussions, what are the side effects, if any. They have to agree to it. If not, then something is wrong. There's no ifs, buts, maybes, whys, wherefores. It's wrong. It should be illegal, and I'm sure it is. But the thing is, I just wanted to make this short video. It's not such a short video. It's like 12 minutes long to show that this is possible. I just don't know the specifics of how it's affecting me or any of you who is being affected by it.